Coach Simplify Academy members, I'm excited to share with you two new features that I've added inside of the Academy. You're looking at the roadmap, and this roadmap is going to be how to use the Dumpy content for the current month. And you're also going to get the 30-day short form content calendar to help you come up with content every day of the month. Before I go into exactly like the breakdown of each one of these new features, let me show you where you can find it. So when you log into the Coach Simplify Academy, you see the start here, the success circle, the lab, and the done for you content collection. You're going to find the content calendar and the roadmap inside of the done for you content collection module. So let's hit resume. Now, when you first log in, it might look a little different. When you open up the module, it picks up where you left off. Okay. So be mindful of that. So you might have opened up another tab earlier and you might not see it, but make sure you scroll to the top and the content calendars will be at the top of the module. Always be the first tab in the module. And then in that module, when you open it up, you're going to see the current month's content calendar. Right now, we are currently looking at March content calendar, which is the theme, productivity, and focus, because that's the theme for the whole entire month of March. So when you click on it, you're going to see like it's going to be a mock-up of it. And I've highlighted some different areas of what the content calendar consists of, but we're going to go into a little bit more detail. And then underneath each image or mock-up, you're going to see the button to click on to download it. And so once you've done that, it will pull up the calendar and you will see this. And it's going to be in a PDF form. Now let me show you where the roadmap is. So the roadmap is still in the Done For You content collection module, but you're going to go down to the theme of the month, which is productivity and focus. And I think maybe going forward, I might put the word like new in front of each new Done For You collection when it drops so that you can see it and it stands out. And so when you click on it, it's going to take you into the productivity and focus. And so the new one is productivity power pack. And we're going to click on it and you're going to see all the Done For You content. And then scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see the roadmap. And the roadmap has been designed to help you implement the productivity and focus Done For You collection in a simple, structured, and stress-free way throughout the whole entire month. This goal is to break down the content into manageable steps so that you can use it effectively in your coaching business without feeling overwhelmed. So each week, I break down things that you can do and how you can use the Done For You content in your business. And then again, here's the mock-up, here's the button for you to download it. Now, let's break everything down and let's look at these new features. The first one we're going to start with is the 30-day short form content calendar. And I'm super excited about this because I know how I struggle so much with coming up with ideas, coming up with hooks, coming up with different ways to use it in, whatever niche I'm in. But I've got you. Now you have everything that you need for each and every day. So the theme for March is going to be productivity and focus. And for each day, as you can see, it starts with March 1, March 2, March 3, 4, 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, etc. It goes all the way to March 31st. And as you can see, March 31st, there you go. So let's look at what each day consists of. All right, so it will start off with a hook. Each hook is a way to capture people's attention. That's the whole thing. It's about capturing, activating your audience. This hook is a proven hook that works. So this one will be the number one reason you're struggling to stay productive is not what you think. Now you can use this hook as is, but many of you have different niches. So if you're in the make money online, meaning if you're in the business industry, helping people build their business, build their brand, then this will be another way you can use this hook. So it could be, you're busy, but not making money. Here's why. And that's the rest of this is up to you to explain. You can explain it on the short form video. You can use it in your explanation, can be in the caption area. You can put text on top of the video explaining the why. You can actually use this as well for emails if you want to use that, etc. And so if you're into health and wellness, I give you another way to use this same hook. Feeling drained by noon, this might be why. And then if you're into empowering women, motivating them, this is another way, the hidden productivity trap keeping you stuck. And then you share what that is that's keeping them stuck. If you're in the manifestation, abundance area, or if you're in a religion or faith-based industry, then this is another way that you can use this particular hook. But again, you can use it as is if it is applicable to your niche. If not, I've given you some other niches that this hook could be used or rephrased. And then after that, I give you a caption, which includes a call to action. So this is really a call to action caption that you can use at the end of your explanation of why they're stuck, why they need, your energy is everything, how do you protect it, etc. This is what you will write in the description area or the caption area. So productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to take control of your time. This is really important. This type of call to action is going to activate your audience to start to engage with you. Because the key thing that we need to know to make selling online or just selling our digital products easier is that we want to engage our audience and build trust. So you can say drop a fire emoji, you can drop a heart, drop a one, whatever it is, but this gives you an idea of what to write in the caption area. And then I go on to give you March the 2nd, March the 3rd, March the 4th, and it goes on and on until March the 31st. So that is your 30-day, well, 31 days, but 30 days of short form content that you can use on your reels, videos, short form like posts. If you're really more savvy in ChatGPT, you can put it in ChatGPT to help you come up with the why, or just to give you a little bit more meaty of a post if you are looking for that. But this is a great starter for you when you don't know what to post every single day, because we should be posting something at least once a day to stay active in the social media feed, also to stay current with our ideal clients, and to start building up the engagement and trust so that people say yes to our offers when we are ready to promote them. Next, let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap is always going to follow the current Done For You collection that I've uploaded for the current month. And right now we're in March. And so let's take a look at this roadmap. So I give a little explanation of, start here, how to use your March content roadmap, and I explain how to use it, and that each week has a task, it has an action step, it has a focus. I give you a little bit more explanation to choose 3 to 5 tasks so that you don't get overwhelmed. Make it work for you if you are short on time. Focus on the essentials, right? Sharing on social media or hosting a Q&A or hosting a masterclass. Batch and schedule content when needed, right? Use tools like Canva or social media schedulers. Automate when possible. Write the emails ahead of time, schedule them, schedule your social media posts. Do things that help you make getting out in front of your audience easier, and stay engaged with your audience. When you implement the roadmap, this is what to expect: higher engagement, less stress by focusing on key actions, and better conversions as your audience warms up before you even make the offer. So by the end of the month, you can have shared impactful content, position yourself as a productivity expert, and stay consistent and watch the results unfold. That is what you can expect when you implement the task inside any roadmap that you're going to get every single month. So I break it down by the week. And the first week is to customize, plan your content. And basically, it's looking over what is available in this month's Done For You collection. So focus on setting up and personalizing materials. And again, I give you about 4 to 5 tasks. You choose 2 or 3 of these tasks. You do not have to do all of these tasks at all because it could be overwhelming. But if you do have time, then try to implement a lot of these tasks if you do. It's not necessary. But then you also have an action step. These things are something I do want you to implement the action steps, like announce the month theme, whatever your theme is. Your theme doesn't really have to be productivity and focus. You can come up with a different name if you want to, but announce your March theme and to your audience or to your email list, to your social media, announce like, hey, this month we're going to focus on productivity and focus in your business and your health. That's a simple step to implement. Then we break it down in week 2, promote and engage your audience. It's always going to include a focus, stand, start warming up your audience with value-based content. I give you some tasks that you can do. Again, you can choose 2 to 3 of them, but if you have more time, you can also try to implement all 4 of them. And then I give you an action step here. So every week you're going to get a focus, you're going to get 4 to 5 tasks, and you're going to get an action step for the whole entire month, which will help you build your audience, engage with your audience, and make selling your offers a lot easier. Then at the end, I'm going to give you some extra ideas for engagements. Here, I'm giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways that you can engage with your audience. And again, you can mix these in within the week, or you can just choose to just focus on these throughout the rest of the month. So just giving you some extra ideas to do. That's everything that you're going to get as the new features, and all of these are going to be located here in the Done For You collection module. And if you haven't already, make sure you go through the rest of the modules to start here. Go through the previous group coaching replays. I've just uploaded a new one, and then go through the new labs. If you need some catching up and you need some, demonstrations on how to do certain things, set up an online class, do the marketing, go check out the labs as well. All right. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about the new features, and I hope you are too. And I cannot wait to see how you plan to use them in your business. Have an awesome and blessed day. And I'll be talking to you later.